How to find IBAN number on HSBC app. First things first, if you don't have an HSBC app account yet, you'll have to create and open an account one. Now, once you have created an account, you'll have to make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of the HSBC application. To check on that, just simply go to your Google Play Store and search for HSBC and make sure that you're currently running the latest version on HSBC app. Now, to view your IBAN number, this is actually confidential, but to view it, to make sure that you are logged into your HSBC account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll just have to tap on any account that you would like to view the IBAN number with. Then once you have tapped on that specific account, you'll just need to press on view statements. Now, once you view statements, you will be routed to a different window in which you or all of your HSBC credentials will be posted, including your IBAN number. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can view your IBAN number using the HSBC app.